Hello, everybody. This is Daily Devlog number 12. Um, Today, I honestly basically didn't write any code. I was trying to figure out how to get my CI/CD pipeline to work again, and I saw that the problem was with a hash in the hash brown crate. This is supposed to be 0.8.7. Um, Now, I was pretty confused because when I set my Rust compiler to nightly and then built it built using 0.8.7. So that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to me. Um, you can see it's and I don't really get this either. It's default features false, optional equals true. Okay, so it's not included by default. But then down here they have a feature named default that includes a hash again. That just something seems wrong about that. I don't get it. Um, but I ultimately think that trying to fix this is kind of a waste of my time because like someone else is gonna come along and fix this. So I don't I don't know why I spent time trying to fix it. I guess because I didn't know what to do next. Um, because the checkout's working. So there's stuff like I need to incorporate my company, but like that can happen later. So I wrote this little list, and I don't know if you can. Maybe if I zoom this up and then zoom out and then get it to focus. Come on. Okay, it doesn't want to focus. You can kind of read it. It's like good enough. But the thing I need to do next is sign downloads. So the idea is that you get a link. Um, once you so it's in the database. So now you can go to some page and it'll have a download button, and you click that, and then it sends you an executable that has been signed somehow with your user ID for like tracking purposes and logins and all sorts of stuff. I can track how long you've played the game so I know like when it's acceptable to no longer give refunds and stuff like that. Um, After that, hopefully this a hash issue will be figured out or somewhere in the stack, and so then I can test production. Another thing I need to do is I need to incorporate my company and bank account. So I need to get a business bank account so that it's separated from all my other finances. And then I want to update to Bevy 0.13. That'll probably be out like really soon if it's not out already. And then I want to start implementing some more advanced rendering techniques. Um, since hopefully things should be working, I should also add a Rust GPU to this list because I do want to switch over to using that. It seems quite a bit nicer. Um, yeah, and then I'm just going to leave this list over to the side so that I can keep track of what's next on the list of things to do. And if something else comes up, I'll add it to the list. But yeah, this is a good case study on keeping a list of things to do because I just like yeah, I did some other stuff today. Like I was working on depopcorning a ceiling, so that took a couple hours. But if you don't have a list of things to do next, it's very very hard to like pick up what the next task is. So this is kind of a project management thing. But yeah, that's I didn't accomplish a lot today, but hopefully tomorrow will be better.